Welcome to RS Home Tutor. We are in quadratic equations. Exercise number 1, question number 1. We already done 4 questions. Now we are moving further. We have total 8 questions and we are checking whether the given equation is a quadratic or not. You know already standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So wherever in the equation if x square term presents, that is a quadratic equation. Now we will go further. Now I will multiply this binomial with binomial, 2x with x, 2x square, 2x with minus 3, that is minus 6x, minus 1 with x, minus x, minus 1 with minus 3, that is plus 3. So that is equal to, here also same process, x into x, x square, x into minus 1 minus x, 5 into x plus 5x, and 5 into minus 1, that is minus 5. So the like terms we will add. So these two, and here is these two. So 2x square, here minus 6 and minus 1, that is total is minus 7x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 5 and minus 1. So the total is plus 4x minus 5. If all these three terms, if I transport to left hand side, so what we'll get? So this is the simplification, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 minus x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. The simple thing is that change the signs of each and every term. Plus become minus and minus become plus. So further simplification. So 2x square and minus x square. So we will get 1x square. Minus 7x and minus 4x. The total is minus 11x. If you go to the constants, this total is how much? 8. 8. In this equation we have x square term. So the given equation is a quadratic equation. As simple as that. Now come to the 6th question. Left hand side no need to simplify. I am going to the right hand side. So this is as it is, x square plus 3x plus 1. No need to simplify this. Now here is the question that we have to expand a minus b whole square. You already know that a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square expansion, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now further simplification, again you can't do anything to the left hand side. I am simplifying the right hand side. So this is x square minus 4x plus 4. So 2 2s are 4 and this 2x square is nothing but plus 4. Now all the terms take into the left hand side. So you will get x square plus 3x plus 1 minus x square and plus 4x and minus 4 is equal to 0. Plus x square becomes minus x square, minus 4x becomes plus 4x, plus 4 becomes minus 4. So that is a transposition rule. Now we'll go for simplification. x square term and this minus x square term will get cancelled. I can add the like terms. The total is how much? 7x. And the numbers, what do you have? 1 minus 4. That is nothing but minus 3 is equal to 0. In this equation we have only two terms. There is no x square term. Therefore, the given equation is not a quadratic equation. So, fifth one is quadratic but not sixth one. Why? The option C of x square term. Now we will go to the next questions. So we are solving the seventh sum. The seventh sum is like this: x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Now if you observe, this is in the form of a plus b whole cube. You already know the formula of a plus b whole cube. So what is a plus b whole cube? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. So already you know very well, just apply the formula. So what is the formula? A cube is first term power 3, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and b cube. So this is the expansion. So please take care, I already wrote the formula here. You can apply the a plus b whole square expansion. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube is equal to 2x with x square, 2x cube, 2x with minus 1 minus 2x. Now further simplification. So if I simplify this, what I will get? X cube, and you will get 6x square, and this is here 4, you have 4 into 3, 12. So 12x plus 2 cube, and that is nothing but 8, and that is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. And all these terms you can get transposed to the left hand side. So x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 minus 2x cube and plus 2x is equal to 0. Plus 2x cube becomes minus 2x cube plus minus 2x cube minus 2x becomes plus 2x. Now we need to simplify. So what you will get? You will get, these are like terms. So 1 here is minus 2. So what you will get? Minus 1x cube. And x square term you have, it is only you have 1, so not x square, and this is 12x and this is 2x. Total is how much? 14x, and the constant is only 1, that is 8, that is equal to 0. So in this equation you have total 4 terms. But in the quadratic you have only 3 terms. So what are those? You will have ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here you have 3 terms and here you have 4 terms. So there is no match in this, and this is the given equation is not a quadratic equation, but this equation we can call it as a cubic equation. But we are searching for quadratic. This is not a quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic equation. Now I will go to the last question. In the last question, we have to simplify the right hand side. The left hand side is no need to simplify because of we don't have any like terms and there is no simplification for this. Now come to the RHS, x minus 2 whole cube. What is the formula for a minus b whole cube? What is a minus b whole cube formula? You already studied earlier classes. A minus b whole cube is nothing but a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So once you revise that, I already wrote on the upper part and you can apply it. Now x minus 2 whole cube. So this is the formula: a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So I apply the formula of a minus b whole cube. Now I will go for further simplification. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. Come to the RHS, x whole cube, that is x cube, and 6x minus x square minus 6x square. 2 square is 4, 4 and 3. 4 3 is 12. So 12x and 2 cube is 8. So this is the simplification. So be careful here. You have to simplify it. So all the terms, if I transpose to the side, you will get x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 plus x cube becomes minus x cube, and minus 6x square becomes plus 6x square, and minus 12x plus 8 is equal to 0.